Hey everyone, DogeExplorer here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to automate tasks and how to create tasks in a task scheduler. So obviously right now I'm using Windows 7. You can use Windows 10, Windows XP, well, not Windows XP, but well, technically it works, but it's a difficult UI. Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and up. So, first things first. So, we want to go to the task scheduler. And now let me explain what the purpose of this program is supposed to do. So task scheduler is supposed to moderate your computer and create automatic tasks for your computer to handle. This is usually popular, let's say if Google has an update file, they will automatically pick a correct time or an automated time from the task scheduler, and it will display the timing. So that doesn't happen random, it happens all in the task scheduler. So right now, really quick, I want to, for the purposes of the video, I'm going to cancel that. So this is where you can see your task status, if you have running tasks or your other tasks that have been enabled and stuff. So right now, I actually want to create a new folder for this. So I'm going to click over here to new folder. You don't have to if you want to. I'm just creating a new folder so I can get organized. And I'm going to call it Auto PC Mate. No, I'm not saying mate. I'm just going to say Auto PC because that's the purpose. Okay, so we have Auto PC right here. Now, if you want to create an advanced task, you can click right here, but we're going to click Create Basic Task really quick. So, we're obviously going to come up with a name for this, so we're going to put it Start Up Chrome. So, it's obviously going to start up Chrome every single time. Let's just say I log in. You know, when the computer starts, actually. It's going to start the program. And as you can see, Chrome is in Program Files, 86, Chrome, Application, and there's Chrome. I'm going to click Open, and boom. Now, usually if you wanted to, I highly don't recommend this, but if you want to dig a little bit deeper, you can start a task manager over here, and you basically, what you would need to do is you need to head to Processes. You have to right click. I think this is only for Windows 10. I'm sorry. I'm used to Windows 10, so this normally doesn't happen. Rats. So only on Windows 8 or Windows 10 you can actually see the program file thing, but sadly I don't think we can over here. However, yeah, I don't think so. You can also run a new task if you want to, if you want to test out, but nah, I'm good. So we have the program file 86 and it's in program files, so we don't need to add an argument, which basically means if you want it to do a specific action, it's already going to open Chrome, so don't worry. So we're going to click next here, and we're going to click open the properties dialog for this task, because I obviously want to edit this description and the timing. So it opened up Chrome. That's a test. So I'm going to put for the description, it opens up Chrome tab whenever you turn on your PC. Now I'm going to run it for the whole entire guest platform, so I'm going to put it users. You don't have to. I'm just saying I'm planning on making this a company laptop, believe it or not. So do not run it with the highest privileges. It doesn't need it. Let's go to conditions, shall we? We have to wake up the computer. I don't care about these two. You can edit these. I'm going to edit so it always starts if there's a network connection. And let's click settings, run task as possible, restart the task whenever it fails, so 1 minute, 3 times. I'm going to obviously stop it for 1 hour if it doesn't do anything. And this is if you want it to overlap. I don't want to. There we go. And if you want more, I know there's another settings where you probably also have to re-edit the trigger that way. Yeah. So now I just wanted 30 minutes. Yep. Okay. There we go. So we started up this task in Auto PC. Let's run it and see what happens. You saw that. Maybe you guys didn't see it, so pay close attention over here. It happened again. 2 new tabs. Now, obviously, it's not going to pull up because it thinks Task Scheduler is more important. But that's the basics of creating and automating anything. And you can do this to any system. At my school, what I've done is, at a specific time, like let's say at 10:33 or 10:36, my computer automatically signs out, displays a warning message to tell me to save my work. So those are 2 real-life examples of how you can use this program, and it's going to benefit you. And great news about that is it doesn't require any administrative permissions. So you could basically shut down the computer automatically if you're a standard user, or like me. But right now I'm logged in as admin. So really quick, to show you an example, if you guys are in a rush or you need a calendar, like sometimes like me, basically, now since there's no calendar system over here, I'm going to make a calendar system. So I'm going to make this text document and then name it as, I'm going to rename it, I'm going to remind it as reminder sheet. Now you can do whatever you want. Right now it's just going to be task list, so now you can display the date, time, subject, anything you really want to. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to save it really quick. Excuse my spelling right now. It's just, today has been a long day. Okay, so we have our reminder sheet. Now, let's open up Task Scheduler. Let's open here. I'm going to put reminder text document. It's going to happen every single time, like Chrome. It's going to start the program. Go to desktop, since that's where it's at. It automatically filled that in. Yay. Okay, I want this to happen, blah, blah, blah. Opens my reminders that are going on. You can do this to the other calendar in Windows 10 if you want to, but you have to backtrack to the program files to do that. Now, I do not want to delay the task. No siree. I want this to be stopped at 30 minutes. If it doesn't, I want this to, don't care if there's anything. I want to wake up the computer. If the task fails, try every 3 minutes, and if it fails, stop the task. And there. You can obviously, by the way, you can enable history, but I don't think you want that, especially if we're running basic tasks. You can do, if you want to enable task history, you can just click this button, but I don't care. So let's open this up. Notepad, boom. So, real life example. So we have 2 things already. Let's restart the computer and see what happens. Now, I hope this tutorial helped you, really. It sure helped me when I learned this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Now it's going to log in. Boom. We got the reminder sheet on, but this Chrome is supposed to open up automatically, but I'm sure we can recheck that out really quick. So if there's a problem, you can always troubleshoot it, by the way. maybe the reason why it's, yeah, it was queued. Yeah, okay. So here's the thing, what happened. I'm gonna tell y'all really quick. Yeah, the condition. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna restart it, see if it's gonna do it again. The problem is I think I put a setting where if there's one main task that's open, the first one, or early bird gets the worm, wins. But I need to disable that and make it so that it doesn't matter if the early bird gets the worm, because technically there's a lot of fun factors. But although this concludes our tutorial, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please go on our video description. There's our Discord and our social links. Have an awesome day.